Ain't nothing like some old stuff, is it?
All right, we're going to keep playing a little music and have a little bit more fun going on here today. We want to say welcome to each and every one of you.
See, this could be a free snow cone for you, darling. What's your name?
Emily.
Emily? Look over there. You see those 3 cars on there? Do you think you know what they are?
Yes.
What do you think? What is the red?
Chevelle.
Chevelle, that's exactly right. Okay, now that one in the middle, there's about 2 or 3 of those here today. The yellow one, what do you think that yellow one is? It could be a horse. That's a hint.
Mustang.
Mustang, there you go. All right, there's only one more now. Now, this is going to be the hard one right here. The blue one, there's one of those here today too, only it's black. And it's a, what do you think it is?
Thunderbird.
Thunderbird, that's exactly right. All right, here you go. Look.